students, let us continue with chapter 32, area and perimeter of a plane figure. So in our previous class we have already started this chapter. So today let me continue with the sixth question. So find the perimeter of a square whose side is 1.6 meter. So what will be the perimeter? 4 into side. That is 4 into 1.6 meters will give you 16 into 4 will give you 64. Right? Yeah. So you will get the answer 6.4 meters. Hope it's clear. Coming to the question number 7. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 5 meter. So perimeter is equal to side you need to find. Perimeter by 4 will be the side, right? That is equal to 5 by 4. So what do you get? The answer you will get it as 1.28225. 1.25 meters. Hope it's clear. Coming to the next question. A square field has each side 70 meter whereas the rectangle field has 50 meter and 40 meter. So each side of a square field is 70 meter. Similarly, rectangle, if I take the length, what will be the length? Rectangle, the length is equal to 50 meter and breadth is equal to 40 meter. Okay. So, if you have to find the perimeter, how will you find the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4 into 70, that is equal to 280 meters. And perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times L plus B. 50 plus 40 is equal to 2 times 90 equal to 180. Okay, you will get 180 meters. So which of the two has the greater perimeter and by how much they have asked? So it's clear that the square has the greater perimeter, right? So the by how much it's asked. So it is 280 minus 180 is 100 meters. Okay, by how much it is asked, so it's 100 meters. Now coming to the ninth question. A rectangle field has length 160 meter. Okay, so perimeter will be what? Perimeter is equal to, you can find it out, 2 into 280 will give you 560 meters. Okay. Now length of the fence required to enclose the field. What will be the length? It will be the same length, right? As the perimeter, the same length of fence is required, so it's 560 meter. The cost of fencing the field at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. Rupees 80 per meter. So 560 into 80 will give you the answer for that. Okay, please do it. 6 8s are 48, 4 balance, 5 8s are 40. So 448 you will get. Okay, hope it's clear, children. So it's for 44,800 rupees. Now coming to the 10th question, we have each side of a square plot of land is 55 meters. Each side is 55 meters. Find the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 32 per meter. First we will find the perimeter, right? Perimeter is equal to how much? Perimeter is equal to 4 into 55. That is equal to 55 into 4 will give you 220 meters. Find the cost of fencing the plot of the rate 32. Cost of fencing the plot is equal to 220 into 32. Okay. So 220 into 32 will give you how much? 22 into 32 will do first. So you'll get, your answer will be equal to 704 you will get. So it's 7,040 into 10 is there, right? So 7,040 rupees. Coming to the next one. Each side of a square field is 70 meter. By how much distance will a boy walk around to make one complete round? One complete round is the perimeter of the square itself, right? So perimeter is equal to P into 40 into 4 into 70, that is equal to 280 meters. Now coming to the second question, we have 8 complete round. So it is 280 into 8. 28 into 8, let us do 280 into 8. Okay, 0. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So 2240 meters. Coming to the 12th question. A school playground is rectangular in shape with the length 120 meter and breadth 90 meter. Some schoolboys run along the boundary of the bank and makes 15 complete round in 45 minutes. So you need to find out how much distance they traveled during this time. So first we'll find the perimeter here. Okay. So what do you get? Perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B, right? Perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B. That is a 1 complete round actually. So 120 plus 90 is 210. 2 into 210 equal to 420 meters. Now 15 complete round means how much distance is traveled we need to know. So 420 into 15 you need to find. 420 into 15 will give you how much? Distance covered is equal to 420 into 15. Zero. Solving it, what do you get? 20, 21 into 420. So 0, 0, 3, 6. 6,300 meters. Coming to the question number 13. Okay. Mohit makes 8 full complete round rectangular fill length 120 meter and breadth is 75 meters. Okay, that is about love. And he makes how many rounds? 8 full rounds. Now the next person, that is John, makes 10 full rounds. So let us count. His length each side, a square field each side, 100 meters. Find who covers the distance, larger distance by how much? How should we find it out? So perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B. 120 plus 75. So what do you get? 2 into 195 you will get. That is equal to 0, 9 and 3. 390 meters. Now coming to the next person. It is 400 meters. Okay. But the first person, he makes how many rounds? 8 rounds. So 390 into 8 we will have to find out the answer. Okay, 390 into 8. It's the total distance covered by him, right? So multiplying it, you get the answer as 3,120 meters. Now coming to John, 400 into 10 rounds. 400 into 10 rounds will give you 4,000 meters. So who covers more distance? It is John. And by how much? 4,000 minus 3,120 will give you what? 880 you will get. Okay, 3,120 will give you 880. Hope it's clear, children. Now coming to the next question, 14th one. The length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. If its perimeter is 60 cm, find its length. Length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. Okay. So length is equal to 2 times of B. Perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B. That is equal to 2 times 2B plus B, that is equal to 2 times B, 2 times 3B. 60 is equal to 6B you will get. So B is equal to what? B is equal to 60 by 6, that is equal to 10. So if breadth is 10, what will be your length? Length is equal to 10 into 2, 20. Now coming to the question number 15. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 9.8 centimeter. So each question we are doing separately here. Okay. First one 9.8 of equilateral triangle. So you need to do 9.8 into 3. 3 into 9.8. Solve it. Solving it, you'll get 294 you're getting. So it is 29.4. Okay. Next question. An isosceles triangle with each side, equal sides 13 cm and third side 10 cm. How will you solve it? Perimeter is equal to 13 plus 13 plus 10. 36 you will get. Okay. Third one you have regular pentagon of side 8.2 cm. Pentagon means, what is that? Pentagon is a figure with 5-sided figure. Okay. Regular pentagon means all the 5 sides are equal. So 5 into 8.2 will give you what? You will get 41. Okay. Centimeter. So fourth one you have a regular hexagon of 6.5 centimeter. So hexagon means again, pentagon is this one. Hexagon is all the 6 sides are equal. Regular hexagon means. Okay. So what will be the perimeter? 6 into 6.5. So you'll get 39.0. Now coming to the question number 16. An equilateral triangle and a square have equal perimeter. If side of a square is given to you, so first we'll find the perimeter of the square triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to 3 into 9.6 you need to find out. Perimeter is 3 into 9.6. So what do you get the answer? 6 3s are 18, 1, 27, 28. 28.8 you will get. That is the perimeter of the square also, right? So what will be each side of the square? Perimeter of square is also 28.8. So each side will be what? 28.8 divided by 4. That is equal to 7.2. Hope it's clear. Question number 17. A regular rectangle with length 18 cm and breadth 12 cm has same perimeter as that of the hexagon. Find the length. So first we will find the rectangle. Perimeter 2 is into L plus B. You will get. Okay. So hexagon also has the same perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 60. Each side of hexagon will be what? Sorry, it's a pentagon. Okay. So what do you get? So you'll get each side will be 60 by 5 equal to 12. Coming to the next question. A regular pentagon of each side 12 cm and the perimeter of the side of that as of the regular hexagon. Find the length of each side of hexagon. So first we'll find the perimeter of the pentagon. Perimeter is equal to perimeter will be of 12 into 5, right? 12 5 is 60 you will get. You will get. Now what you have to find out? Find length of each side of a hexagon. So each side of a hexagon will be what? Perimeter of hexagon is also 60. So each side of hexagon will be 60 by 6. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Coming to question number 19. We have each side of a square is 45 centimeter and rectangle has 50 centimeter length. If the perimeter of both is same, find the breadth of the rectangle. First we will find each side of square is 45. Let us find the perimeter first. What is the perimeter here? Perimeter is equal to length of rectangle is also given. First we will find the perimeter, but perimeter of the square will be equal to 45 into 4, right? 45 into 4 will give you what? 4 into 45 is equal to 180. Okay. So let us find the breadth of a rectangle. We directly have a formula, that is what? P by 2 minus L, right? P by 2 minus L. Breadth is equal to P by 2 minus L. That is equal to 180 by 2 minus L is what? 50. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40 you will get. Hope it's clear, children. Now coming to the last question in this exercise. A wire is bent in the form of an equilateral triangle of each side 20 cm. If the same wire is bent in the form of a square, find the side of the square. So again let us find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Perimeter of the square. It's equilateral triangle, sorry, it's not a square, it's equilateral triangle. 20 into 3 is 60. So that is equal to the perimeter of the, square also, right? So what do you need to find out here? If the same wire is formed, find each side of the square. Similar to what we have done now. 60 by 4, that is equal to 15 cm. Hope it's clear, children. Complete this exercise in your classwork. Thank you, students.